Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's break down the differences between Ubuntu and Kali Linux so that you can choose the right one for your needs. First up, we have Ubuntu. This is the beginner friendly Linux distribution. It is stable, easy to install, and it comes with a huge software library. Most of the people use it for everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, coding, and even for servers. So if you are new to Linux or if you want something reliable for daily use, Ubuntu would be the best option. Now, if I talk about Kali Linux, this one is built for security professionals and ethical hackers. It comes preloaded with hundreds of tools for penetration testing, digital forensics, and network security. It is not meant for casual use or beginners. In fact, if you try to use it like Ubuntu, you will probably struggle because it is designed for professionals who know what they are doing. So, here is the bottom line. You can choose Ubuntu if you are learning Linux, coding, or just want a stable system for work and play. You can choose Kali Linux only if your goal is cybersecurity testing or ethical hacking. Both are powerful, but they serve very different purposes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also let me know that in the comment section below which one you are going to pick. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.